You are here because of thumbnail. Am I right? Because you read that how to think in English and you click the video and you are here. So I think you are here because you wanna speak in English, you wanna think in English. If you wanna think in English, if you wanna speak in English, it means you know what is the importance of English language. So I don't think I'll have to need to tell you what is the importance of English language. You know very well. So okay, so I'll tell you one thing, that please make sure if you watch this video, then please whichever steps I'll tell you, you will follow. Okay, please make sure. And if you don't know any sentences, any rule of grammar, then don't worry, it's not a big deal. Okay, lots of people here who don't know one word of English, so don't worry, they can also speak in English. Okay, so it's okay. And now, if you think without translation of any sentence, if you think without practice, without doing anything, suddenly you can think in English, it's not possible. If you're thinking, it means you are thinking that you are Chinese, I'm Indian, and suddenly my brain is ready for thinking Chinese. It's not possible. Okay, so please don't think like this. If you're thinking, please stop it. For thinking English, you will have to ready for your brain. You will have to ready your brain. You will have to practice more and more. As much as you are doing practice, your brain is ready for speaking, for English speaking. Okay, so you will have to do. And please, first of all, learn 12 sentences of English grammar: present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Then if you are learn these 12 sentences, you can speak in English. If you know these 12 sentences, then you can start English speaking. Okay, you can speak in English. While you are speaking in English with these 12 sentences, you will have to face one more problem. What's the problem? So problem is that whenever you want to speak in English with these 12 sentences, you will have to face a problem, that what to think, on which topic we can say anything, we can talk to ourselves on which topic. You will face this problem. So first of all, take your daily routine. Whatever you're doing in a day, you will have to translate all those sentences. Okay, and make sure if you translate a sentence in English language, then don't say that sentence again in Hindi language. Make sure that you are speaking in English. If you know, if you are saying that मैं जाता हूँ, then say I go. Don't say मैं जाता हूँ again. Okay, make sure. First of all, you will take your routine, daily routine, and talk about anything, whatever you want to say, about your mama, about your father, about any person, you can speak. And slowly you can see the result. You can see improvement in yourself. Really, if you wanna think in English, first of all, you have to ready your brain to think in English and to speak in English. You are not native speakers. Our mother tongue is Hindi, so that's why our brain is not ready to think in English. So we will have to ready our mind. We will have to let our mind ready. Okay, you know, practice makes a man perfect. If you are doing practice more and more, then you can learn English speaking very easily. And suddenly nothing will happen. You will have to more and more practice. If you are really want to learn English language, I know whenever you are talking about your daily routine, it's going to be very boring. But if you are crazy for learning English, then you can make it very interesting for you. Topic. On which topic we are talking, on which topic we are thinking, So I'll give you topic. You can think about your relatives. You can talk about your relatives, and don't talk to the other person, please, okay? Talk to yourself. Only talk to yourself. Okay? Only think in your mind, but whatever you think, you will speak. Okay? Whatever you think, you will speak. Don't shut your mouth. You will speak because of your speaking. You can write, you can think, you can do everything, but you can't speak. Then speak more and more. Speak unnecessary things. You can speak. Who's listen? Nobody listen, okay? It's only for your practice. Do whatever you want to do for your speaking, and please make crazy for learning English. Make crazy. Your craziness will give you more and more results. So please make crazy yourself, and you can do everything. If you wanna do, and you can do everything. Mark my words.